In this video, let me show you how to move Safari tab groups to a new folder. So if you're trying to create multiple folders for multiple purposes inside of Safari, let me show you exactly on how you can do it. Now, in order to create a new tab group or a new folder inside of Safari, all you want to do is tap on the three dotted line and then head over to the all tab section. This way all of the tabs that are currently open is going to be visible. Now, in order to create a new group tab or a new folder, you'll need to tap on the three dotted line on the top left, and right here you'll have the option called manage tab groups. Here you can see the option called new empty tab group. You can name this whatever you like so that a new tab group is created. Once a new tab group is created, in order to move it, what you can do is simply tap and hold a particular tab, and right here you see the option called move tab. You can just tap on it and then select the tab that you want to move it to. And as easy as that, you've successfully moved the Safari tab groups to a new folder. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.